Tonight, our first look at the Mesa police officer charged with murder.
And tonight, his victim's family is doubtful they're going to find justice after a judge lets that officer walk right out of court and home to his family. ABC 15's Navita Fergani shows us why. Daniel Shaver's family believes his killer may never spend a day in jail.
He's getting
They've offered a plea deal.
The widow of Daniel Shaver tells us in exchange for a guilty plea, the officer that killed her husband would be charged with negligent manslaughter instead of second-degree murder.
He's going to try to walk with as minimal repercussions as possible. Meanwhile, my husband will never come back.
Shaver was unarmed when he was shot by Officer Philip Brailsford. Shaver reached for his waistband, which he was told not to do. The county attorney's office cannot confirm any plea deal until it's official. So until then, the officer will be back in court for a preliminary hearing.
In many respects, it's almost like a mini trial.
The prosecution and defense will be allowed to present their case. Body cam video will be shown. Even Officer Brailsford and his partner, who was there, could be called to the stand. The judge will then decide if the evidence supports the case.
Except the issue of guilt or innocence isn't at stake. What's at stake is there probable cause to charge this officer with the offenses?
Typically, cases go before the grand jury, a secret hearing where official charges are brought. But criminal legal expert Hector Diaz believes that the case is being held this way for transparency.
There's some process or plan in why it's being handled this way. And I think it has to do with the fact that the county wants this whole case, this whole process to be out in the open.
On ABC 15 at 6, the words engraved on the side of the officer's gun that could hurt his case. In Phoenix, Navita Fergani, ABC 15 News.